This is my financial journey with WA. My name is James Tan. So how did my journey begin? Actually, my journey began not with trading, right? I did not meet Adam or AKLTG through trading. I met Adam and AKLTG through another course, which is called Patterns of Excellence, right? That was in 2005, in 2005, it was a very depressing time for me. I was like an all-time low, right? And I went into the bookshop and, looking for solutions, okay? How do I get out of this really depressed state? And I found a book by Adam, right? So I took that book, I read it, I was saying, it's about $20, if this is going to save my life, $20 is well worth it, right? So I bought the book, I read it, and I managed to get into the website and connect with Adam, AKLTG, and I took the course. At that time, of course, no COVID, it's a live course with people all around, so it was fantastic. So even at that time, after the course, I got over my depression, right? Adam was actually contemplating and was introducing Wealth Academy. That was in 2005. So I thought, well, might as well continue, right? I mean, I got my mental state fixed. Okay, now I need to think about how to fix my financial state. Okay, so I took on Wealth Academy 01, and it's ground zero, right? I was the first batch of students to do Wealth Academy in 2005. So here it is. It's about making the right moves, right? This is the book, Master Your Mind, Design Your Destiny. I don't know whether you can still get it. It's an excellent book by Adam. Now, this one changed my life. This other one changed my financial outcome, right? So, I've been really, really grateful for Adam. It's quite a very well integrated kind of a program and books and curriculum that sort of like met all my requirements. Okay, I need to shift to the next screen. So for me, right, in 2005, I was all in. I got myself fixed mentally and I got myself fixed financially. So it's been an incredible journey. So I'm going to share a little bit with you what I'm doing now. So one of the things that you learned over last weekend and culminating in this Friday were our stocks, all right? Value investing in the US market. It is an amazing move, right? And that's exactly what I did right after a Wealth Academy in 2005. I invested in stocks and shares. I kept it very simple. There was one message. After all that learning, all the stuff that Adam threw at me, I learned one thing. The stock market index always goes up. That's all I needed, right? Because at that time I was still working. I was very busy, and stocks and all that is still, I'm an engineer, right? I had a real difficult time trying to understand financial statements and all this kind of stuff. So, but the only thing I remember out of all that course, can you imagine? The one thing I did was I invested in the market index. Now you can't buy the index, right? You do the ETFs. So in the long run, it goes up. So, it was a wonderful move that I made at a time when I didn't have a lot of time, and I wanted to be financially free. So even today, right now, value momentum investing applied today. This is an update, right? I'm just giving you an update of where I am in 2021. If you look in one of my accounts, I got several accounts, right? And several brokers. I never put all your money in one broker, okay? Because brokers go broke, right? So in one of my accounts, this is what it looks like, right? These are the entry dates. You will notice a large percentage of that are ETFs. So even after 15 years, despite being able to trade in stocks, invest in stocks, I still go after the ETF. Because why? It requires very little maintenance, right? And in the long run, these are good ETFs, these are good indexes, it's going to go up. So if you look at it in terms of my gains, right, you can see quite substantial. Part of it is because of COVID. I bought it during COVID. By the way, I also had a lot of China shares. I sold most of my China shares because myself personally, I was not comfortable at that time with the Trump administration beating up China and wanting to delist China on that. So I got rid of all of that. So you don't see a lot of stocks. But previously, I had a lot of Chinese stocks, and they made me great money, right? Great returns, great capital gains, and no tax. Right? Great capital gains and no tax. But today, this is where I am. I have Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and a bunch of indexes. For myself, the equities is about 43%. I have cash 57%. Why cash 57%? Because it allows me to take the next move, which should generate cash moves. All right, cash flow, sorry. Right, so I have 57% cash. It's like a dry powder, right? If the stock prices come down, you know, I'm going to buy some great companies. If it doesn't, I just use it for trading. Which comes to the other part of my journey, which you are about to embark once William and the team complete looking at all these VMI stocks, the wonderful work that all of you have done. We go into momentum trend investing. So trading applied. So these are the results. I wasn't trading a lot in 2020, okay? I was really more focused on buying and selling stocks and shares, capital appreciation. But I did some trading because I knew how to, right? And I sort of honed my skills. And here are some of the results. But for me, my target now is for 2021, I'm moving to $5,000 to $6,000 a month through trading. But of course, for me trading, I'm going to leverage, I'm going to make use of options because I took the options course with Adam and Bang. Right, it allows me to leverage more. So I'm already very excited that I'm able to do this, and you know, I look forward to a profitable 2021. But I just want to say this, right? The VMI and MPT is and will continue to be the foundational basis for trades. This is the foundation in which I built my trading and my investing, right? So you guys have had the VMI, so wonderful. You're going to come me tonight and later tonight and maybe tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, you get into the trading part. Right. For all these trades, I leverage options, but it all based on technical analysis from WA, which is from MTT. The other thing, of course, is that very exciting is this business is highly scalable, very, very scalable. And once you have the proven skills from WA, right, you can scale it up. A lot of people are worried about, you know, do I need to have a large account size? You know, I mean, is it too small? It doesn't matter. Okay, it's highly scalable. Once you're able to select the right stocks, and what you're able to do MTT trades, you can always fund and scale up, right? Don't be in a hurry to scale up until you have all the skills, you know, to do that. Okay, so my WA journey I'm going to share with you is here. Some points that I hope some of you can emulate, right? The first thing you need to figure out your end in mind. You need to establish your financial goals. Otherwise, you'll be doing investing for the sake of investing and trading for the sake of trading because you attended the course and there's no meaning. You need to integrate what you learn to your financial goals, right? What is your financial goal? Also, you need to find the right asset classes that will get you there. The answer is different for everybody. Some people will continue to buy ETF like me. Some people do a lot of stocks and shares. Right? And some people just don't want to do that. They just want to do trading. There's no right or wrong. You just need to understand your financial goals and your timeline. Everybody has got a different runway. My runway is shorter than everybody else, right? I'm 65, right? Some of you are young. You got a long runway. So again, your financial goals will be different. The other thing very important is to get a mentor to fast track your journey. And you're all here. You're all being mentored by Adam, by William, and some of the coaches, all right? You need to get a mentor and you need to stay on track because they can fast track your journey. I've been doing this for 15 years. You don't need 15 years, okay? You get a mentor, and with the support group that you have in this program, you can able to fast track much faster than what I had to do. Remember, in my back 2005, in my days, there was no Telegram, okay? There was no WhatsApp, right? When I finished the course, all that happened was Adam shook my hand and gave me the cert. That was it, okay? There was no other support. Right? But that's why I started with just ETF, something simple. But you guys have amazing support. This is, you know, unbelievable, the kind of support you are getting. Other thing, of course, is investing and trading is a team sport, right? It's hard doing it alone. Most people fall out because they try to do it alone, right? And that's why we set you together in teams, all different teams, you know, looking at all the investments and later all the trading, right? So stay in a team. A team has already been formed, right? You get to know each other, stay in the team, right? Because it's a team sport. Also, be accountable to someone that matters to you, you know, in the team. Accountability is very, very important for you to fast track. And of course, you need to love what you're doing, right? And well, maybe you don't love it so much, but you know, you need to at least be competent. But remember, it is a journey. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a journey. But it's a journey that I've taken for 15 years. And, you know, I always introduce Wealth Academy with very many friends. I say, you know, I've been doing it for 15 years. I've known Adam, I've known William for the longest time, okay? And they're very, very competent people. So you guys are in a great place. Okay, Okay, so I'm coming to an end. I do wish all of you in this class, May 2021 batch, a fruitful journey. And many of you do not realize what Adam, William, and all the coaches have given you, right? It is an awesome money-making machine. But you got to turn it on. You got to turn on the machine, right? A lot depends on you. It's like what Adam says, what you put in is what you're going to get out, right? You need to participate, you need to be active, and you need to be doing demos and all that. And all of that it comes about because you have a goal in mind, you have a financial goal in mind, you know what the end in mind is, right? That drives you to say, by year end, I want to be able to achieve X, Y, Z kind of thing, set your goals, right? Otherwise, when this class finish, you put your book on the shelf and then, that's it. And then you start looking for another, holy grail or shiny object, you're going round and round in circles, all right? By the way, I've done that before, all right? So I'm just telling you and sharing with you that you don't need to go anywhere else, all right? This is it. This is done, all right? And you just need to turn on the machine and have faith. This is a curriculum that's been developed over a span of 15 years, AKLTG, Adam, has incredible staying power. A lot of other coaches out there, they disappear. And I've taken those courses by other coaches, by the way, you can't find them anymore. They disappeared. Don't know where they went, okay?
If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button right now. Click on the bell so you get instant notifications once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to piranhaprofits.com. We're going to learn how to invest and how to trade the financial markets and create an income from all around the world. If you want to join my live Wealth Academy program, go on to wealthacademyglobal.com and find out more about how you can learn investing and trading live online. This is Adam Khoo, and may the markets be with you.